See you. You're stuck in the corner. Turn around, put your nose in the corner. Turn around, put your nose in the corner. You keep it up, we won't go to the movies. Talk to me like that.
Over over here.
Yeah, we can always go back to Nan's house. The door's unlocked. You can get in.
What if the door's locked?
What?
What if the door's locked?
What if the door's locked?
Yeah.
What if it's not?
What if it is?
Well, what if it isn't?
I'm wondering that video where you say, are you ready to see the Muppets?
Are you ready to see the Muppets?
I want to watch that video.
Why?
Please.